Hello everybody, this is Rob. So it is Monterey Car Week, but more importantly, we are at the DeLorean House right now. We're still waiting for valet actually, so we can go inside. So this is actually, going to be their unveiling of their new Alpha model. Now, if you guys know me, you know I love DeLoreans, Back to the Future, all that. I always loved the way that the DeLoreans looked. I really just can't wait to get in there and see the unveiling. I believe it's even a worldwide unveiling. So that just has me even more excited, guys. So let's go ahead and let's skip to, heading on inside. All right, guys, we're now at the DeLorean House. Let's get to the unveiling later. Let's also see what's here. The DeLorean out here, pretty cool. So before we get to the actual unveiling of the new one, let's talk about some of the things about the DeLorean that I love. Of course, we have the gull-wing doors. We do have the stainless steel body. This is a really nice example too. Interior is good. This one has a manual transmission also. 85 miles per hour. Even has a DMC mats. This is a very nice example. The gull-wing doors. Let's see. Shocks have been replaced. And the wheels are one of those less talked about iconic parts of DeLoreans. I'm kind of curious if the new one they're unveiling has the same wheels. Let's keep that in mind when we see it. And then, of course, that wonderful square front. Alright, so no more dilly-dallying, guys. Let's get this. They have a room here of Hot Wheels and the history of them with the DeLorean. So I guess the prototype of it. Pretty cool. Really nice photo of the DeLorean here, the Alpha5. Wow, very cool. Here we have illustrations of the Alpha2, 3, and the 4. I really like the illustration they have for the 2. I just think this is my favorite one of all those concept models they were showing. I also just love the 80s and 90s look. Looks really cool. Definitely cool to see all this artwork in here. And this one over here. Very neat. Alright guys, so DeLorean's right here underneath the cover. It's going to be exciting.
Solve the video. Is there a better way to kick off the 71st anniversary of the Pebble Beach Concours d'Elegance? My name is 𝗵𝗍𝗄𝗍. I am joined by my very good friend
𝗗𝗏𝗏 from Motor Trend. So good to see you all. So good to see Amanda, always dressed to the nines, looking lovely. Meanwhile, I got a t-shirt on, but it is a t-shirt with a message. It says, "Love isn't hard at all." And if you guys know pop music, it's from the band Crowded House.
I think we should just go ahead and sing it.
And what a crowded house we have here at the DeLorean House. We have such a fantastic program for you this evening. Very excited to show you what's underneath the silks. Talk to some very important people. I say, let's get going.
Yeah, I think it was neat just walking in this place. The security was taking photos with the DMC-12. I heard someone out in the crowd, raise your hand if it was, talking about being a DeLorean owner for 28 years. So this is a night to celebrate you guys as well. Welcome out, and let's get the party started.
Presentation of where DMC-12 would have been. This is a generation where aerodynamics would come into play, color would come into play. Advanced materials were coming into play. If you imagine this particular car in the 1990s, you had Dodge Viper, you had 300ZX, you had vehicles that were proportionately getting longer and wider. This was a natural progression for DeLorean. This is a concept of design theme. This isn't something we reimagine would actually be on the road, but this is a design theme for us in the 1990s. This again would be naturally aspirated. In 2000s, we did that same study, year by year, painless. It was painful to go through each one of these generations, but this is a representation of our next leap, which would be in mobility, powertrain. So this particular vehicle would be our representation of EV in the year 2000. Again, an interpretation of where the DeLorean would be in terms of design direction. Again, it's our first representation of EV, so stylistically it's going to be wider, longer, a little bit higher. But this, again, was another interpretation of where the trends were going.
Push the wheels out to the corner.
Wheels out to the corner.
Right, you got cab forward. You went from like a roadster to more of a multi-purpose, like a larger family.
Yeah, but I think to cue yourself, if you guys can see this in the front, you still have the air vents in the back and the media safety mats in the rear. The evolution of those themes take place generationally, so this is another execution of the same theme, but in the year 2000. And in the year 2010, obviously, we had an interpretation of what an SUV would be like. But in this, again, we're pushing the envelope on powertrain. This is our first representation of fuel cell. SUVs, the 2010s were hot. This is another example of where DeLorean potentially could have been had they stayed around and produced these iconic vehicles. So again, this is the generational vehicles. Every one of these vehicles actually represents specific DNA from the brand. And then again, you have even more importantly, this is a physical representation, but Neil Harris, who's the VP of Brand Creative, the other story is generating the brand narrative through this generation. So if I can introduce...
How long do you want to make them wait?
None. Go.
All right, let's go. Let's see the Alpha5.
There it is.
Oh, he doesn't get to pull it?
We'll give them a moment.
Look at that, guys. Absolutely beautiful. Notice how I pointed out the wheels on the original DeLorean. So check out those wheels, just like I said, sort of influenced. Looks good. Look at how it says their DeLorean down there on the bottom. And those LED lights up front. Interior from here looks pretty good too.
Incredible.
Wow, that looks real good.
Troy, how do you feel? What's going through your head?
Suggested retail price here?
This color is also pretty nice. Interesting choice on them. It's a really nice sort of rosy sort of color. And then notice also the roof, black roof. Very good.
One of the objectives we have is to make sure that when we created something like this, there would be this unconscious compulsion to interact with the vehicle. There's something about this vehicle, when you guys kind of take a look at it, when you put your hand on it, the idea that you're interacting with the car is really important to us. So I think we've accomplished that. I'm proud that we created something that people want to connect with.
I think based on the response of the chatter in the crowd, there is a compulsion to interact with it. And Neil, to finish off with you.
This is cool. Can't wait to get a bit closer to it.
Yeah. Not really real until it's a Hot Wheel.
Oh, I think you're right.
Hot Wheels. SVP and Global Head of Hot Wheels, 𝗵𝗿𝗄𝗏, and Global Head of Design, Ted. Gentlemen, good to see you. So, I'm just going to take it. Let's just go.
Yeah, we're done.
So, it's a little small, but this will be in the house in about, once we're done, we give it 5 minutes and we'll be in here.
Alright guys, nice and close to it. Look at these wheels. Look really good. Everything about this car, this looks really cool. I'm just noticing right here, you see this little vent here in the hood for cooling reasons probably. LEDs look good, like I said before. Oh, this looks really good. Let's see if I could get to the back of this. Trying to get to the back. See the interior. Interior looks pretty good. I mean, it's a concept, so it's still a little bit basic, but not bad at all. All right, let's get to the back of it. Look at that LED. It says DeLorean right there. And then look at this roof we got right here. We have the nice little vent. Sorry about that. Focus went off, but nice vented look. And then you have that backup camera right there, as well as this one clear fin right over here. Looks really good. Once again, notice how it says DeLorean back there. Real good. Wow. This thing looks great, especially up close. You can see right here the gull-wing design. You can see the hinges and everything right here in the spaces. Now, I'm not sure if they're actually going to open it. I'm hoping they do. You know, just really, really hoping they do. Maybe I can ask. It's real good. And then once again, this color with the light hitting it, just spectacular, guys. Just spectacular. They do have the seat on the trim actually matches the paint. Nice little touch on their end. Let's see if they'll open it up. Something I'm also noticing is this is one long, big door, guys. Check out the size of this door. That is long. The window is going to be long. The glass is going to be long. That's pretty interesting, guys. As you can see, guys, it's a large crowd. Everyone wants to see it. Like I said, no worries. Everything looks good. Standing in front of it now, so check out the LED. It says DeLorean up here also. Looks really good. Here, let me put this lower. Big crowd of people here, man. You know, everyone loves this car. Looks really good. Really cool. Really nice lines up here. See how the hood right here, how it lines up? It's perfect. Got more cooling down there. It's pretty cool. I really like how you see how on the blades you have. Oh man, that is just so cool. The lines right there. Really cool. There we go, guys.
People are just like,
Alright guys, check out that interior. Oh, cleaning that up. I'm pretty sure those are the officials. That's why they can just jump in like that. I think there's some kind of issue they're trying to fix with it, but look at that. So yeah, they have DeLorean down there on the trim. I love how it says right there on the sill, DeLorean. Very cool. This one has a Cambridge system already inside. I am hoping it looks pretty similar because this looks really good. Got the info on. And that screen. Standard digital stuff. So pretty neat to see. Even the back doesn't even look that bad space-wise. I mean, look at this. Not bad at all, but yeah, it's a giant door.
I love this one.
Very cool. So remember, guys, this one is the Alpha5. So this is technically would be the Alpha2. So this is supposed to be kind of like their 90s concept look. And you can definitely see 90s in there. I mean, look, we have the soft plate wheels. Definitely give me some Corvette vibes. It does have that sleekness. And then this whole roof line here really does actually make me think of like the 90s concept cars. And then, you know, it says DeLorean right up front like that. Definitely 90s vibes. Then we have the Alpha3 2000s concept. Going into the EV, I mean, 2006, this is when we had the Prius and all those electric cars coming to fruition. I can see that, especially when I do look at these wheels also. And then, are honestly not my favorite, the Alpha4, 2013, you know, everyone wants SUVs and crossovers, all that kind of stuff, so this is a big one of those. And it doesn't look too bad. I mean, it has a nice little square shape. You see the little roof line right there. I mean, it's not bad. I mean, the wheels are cool. But yeah, I mean, I'll definitely take the 5 back there. Let's get a different angle on this. Looking good, guys. Looking real good. The door up and everything. All right, they got the LEDs on. Pretty cool, look at that. It's all connected. Goes to the back, and the back is on the reverse end. Definitely a very cool car to see. I really like it. You know, I talk about the wheels a lot because I feel like the wheels are one of those parts on DeLorean that you're gonna notice that they're off. everyone likes the stock wheels. So it's really cool to see them sort of do a sort of tribute with those. And look right here. It even says Alpha5 right there. And those center caps are really nice. They say DeLorean right there also. Definitely pretty cool. And here's a nicer view of that digital gauge. Check that out. Definitely pretty cool. Alright guys, so pretty cool getting to see the Alpha5 heading inside. Probably going to be calling it, guys. Going to go and see what gifts they have. Guess they have some free gifts, so let's see what we got. This is a new DeLorean Hot Wheels set they're releasing. This is pretty sick. So look, you have the Alpha5 and the DMC-12 there. Really cool. It's up for pre-order now. Very nice. Alright guys, we're going to head out, leave the DeLorean House. Wanted to end a note on the classic DMC that I always loved. It was really cool getting to see the Alpha5 reveal. You know, always cool to see this kind of stuff Monterey Car Week. And with that, guys, this is Rob, and have a good one.